Our TRCH is almost explode at Friday, but the momentum is dropped a bit. So by Monday, I'm gonna see higher highs for TRCH and Axis and big squeeze for TRCH, or we're gonna see a consolidation again around our support. We're gonna discuss all the prices for TRCH without further ado. Always straight information, straight chart with me, Trading Jesus. So let's get right to it and hunt, guys. This is the most important support here around the $4.74, and guess what? Like around the 17th of June, we got back really fast around the 17th of June, and this is perfect scenarios. We bought back near our support and above our exponential moving average. This is really nice, and now we getting close around our rejection area, which is the $6.61 as I predicted to for my Patreon hunters to take profit around the $6.61. That's why we got a rejection and a sell-off and at exactly our support, the $4.74. So now what we should expect? Now by Monday, either we're gonna see a double bottom again, a double top around our $6.61 and rejection again. This will be a bad sign and sign of weakness. I will take us a bit of time to see higher highs for TRCH, but the good scenario if we just close above our resistance level and we test this before we actually go in higher to see the price go even higher for like for TRCH and see at least the $9 before the $10 for TRCH. So be careful from this. Any price go above would be perfect sign for another explosion, because for TRCH, guys, we have this fundamental actually good. There's a news expecting for at the end of this month, so there's a big like catalyst happening for TRCH. That's why we see a big gap for TRCH. Either way, we should expect for everything could happen. So take the fundamental is good, but the things that most important for us that we can control is the technical analysis and our chart and our strategy. If you not have a lot of things that you can mix to give us our confirmation for the price, you get a lot of bias information because our emotion get in the way, and our strategy will be not valid because you don't have the target for our stock, and you just count on the fundamental. As we can see, the fundamental actually not 100% correct. Even if the good information or good news happening, we might see a sell-off. So the sign if you have to have both ways. And if we're gonna see the volume for TRCH, we're gonna see the volume actually dropped from the last time we test this level around the $6.61, and the price dropped significantly this time, and the price even go higher, but the volume is dropping. So be careful. Might we see a rejection by Monday and test again for the $4.74, and if this happen, we're gonna see a test again, and any break for this level I will not be actually happy about it, because we might actually fill the gap around the $3.70, and this will be a sign of weakness, and because this gap we did it after this big jump. So this will be even the price might a lot of people said that TRCH will go to $10, of course. But if we see a sell-off this time and we go below our support, the $4.74, we lose the fuel that actually fuel the rocket to go out from the at least the first stratosphere of the Earth. But this will take us a lot of energy to get back all the price that we did, the movement that we did, and we take a bit of time to go back to $6 after this massive drop. So be careful. I'm just giving you all the probability that can happen, and the sign of weakness and the sign of strength. Sign of strength if we go above the $6.70 and we close above this resistance. Sign of weakness if we go rejected here and test this and we broke from this. This is a big sign of weakness. So this is it for TRCH, guys. This is really important to have have those prices noted and execute, guys. Just execute upon them and never look back. The more you actually think about something, or you never have a point or goal for something, you'll be stressed for no reason. Live your life, guys, and just when you're trading, execute and go back to your life. Because if you make your trading as your life, you'll be stressed and you have bias and you never actually end up winning. So here we want to make money. If you want to make money, just make a strategy. If you don't, do your life and do the probability after 1 year, see if you make money or not. So without further ado, guys, press the like button and see you in the next update.